Are you looking for a reliable roofer in Las Vegas? We are your #1 high-quality roofing company located in the Las Vegas and Henderson area. When you need an emergency roof repair, small or large leaks are no problem for us to handle. Call us at 702-625-0969. We provide quality service at an affordable price. Call us today for a free no-obligation consultation and find out how we can help solve your roofing problems. We specialize in residential and commercial roofs, providing quality service and products. No problem is too big or small. Call us at 702-625-0969 today. If you need a roofing contractor that does the job right the first time at an affordable rate, you'll be pleased with the quality and service we can provide. When you're faced with an emergency situation such as a leaking roof, cracked shingles and tiles, it's important to pick the right roofing contractor. Your roof is the first line of defense for protecting your home from moisture and the outside elements. Call us today at 702-625-0969. Our technicians have the training and experience needed to take care of any roofing problem. That includes leaks, tile replacements, or complete new roof installations. We can handle all varieties of roofing issues and always available 24/7 for emergency repairs. For a free consultation or quote, call us at 702-625-0969.